Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover app settings with Spotify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover app settings in Spotify, start by opening the Spotify application on your device. If you are using a mobile device, ensure that it is connected to the internet. For desktop users, check your internet connection as well. Next, look for the Home tab located at the bottom left corner for desktop or the bottom right for mobile. Tap or click on it to access your main Spotify interface. Now, locate your profile icon in the top right corner on desktop or the settings gear icon on mobile. Click or tap on your profile icon or the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the recover section. This is where you can manage app settings and recovery options. If you see an option labeled Recover Default Settings, click or tap on it. This action will restore your Spotify settings to their default state. If you want to recover specific settings rather than the defaults, check for a Settings Backup option. Click on that option if it's available, and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, verify your choices if prompted. After confirming, your settings will be restored or adjusted accordingly. Finally, close the settings menu to return to your music. Your Spotify settings should now be successfully recovered. Enjoy your customized listening experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.